Okay, so this is a little tutorial showing how I built a retracting wall with pressure plates on either side, dealing with the doorway. I'm making this video so that I don't forget how to do it, because it was probably harder than it should have been. So, here is the effect I'm looking for. Come down the stairs, there'll be a pressure plate here. I'm going to replace it with stone. When you step on it, the doorway opens up. And then you come down to the next room. And when you're leaving, you come up the stairs, step on the pressure plate, and the doorway opens up again. That way, when you're at the top of the stairs, it kind of looks like an unfinished area. So, the way I did it is I have a couple of sticky pistons dealing with the doorway. Of course, there can be more, but that gets more complex, but I just wanted the two. Pressure plate on either side. This part right here is where the doorway slides. Then, underneath, I have redstone directly beneath the pressure plate. So if we activate the pressure plate, then the doorway opens. Redstone up. Redstone leading up to the top of the tube, because if you power the top one, the bottom one also gets power. If there are three, you have to provide separate power for the bottom. So the power comes, and then, since these require power in order to be extended, which I want by default, I use this block. This block inverts the power. So the no power comes in, this block inverts it and provides power. Then when if I can get redstone, when I put something on the pressure plate, it gets power, this inverts it and turns the power off. Then, once that's done, that was the tricky part, which didn't seem like it should be that tricky, but it was for me for some reason. Then, we just do the same thing on the other side. Here's our pressure plate. There's our redstone coming around, and then joins back here. And of course, then it gets inverted also. So either side will provide power to this point, at which point it'll get inverted, and these will retract. So that, see, nothing on the other side. If I put something on this side, then I'm good. I wonder if I can throw it on both sides. Yeah, both sides, doesn't matter. It's not an XOR gate, it's just either one, we get power, we're good. So, I'm going to make one more pass slow so that I myself can figure this out again later. So, doorway, two pressure plates, there's the sticky pistons, redstone comes around. For me, redstone wiring always takes lots of room to make sure that they don't get joined in between. Then I have the redstone going, inverted. Now I gotta slip to the other side. Comes around under the pressure plate, and there's the other pressure plate.